Hi, I'm Lori with Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker, and I'm standing in our newest listing at 92 Furnace Ave, and I'm in Unit 68, and this is gorgeous. You're not going to want to miss it. This is an adult active community. It is so special. This is built in 2008. It's a nice ranch-style unit, and it has a beautiful open floor plan. Take in the kitchen. You can see there's tons of counter space here. You have beautiful granite countertops, tons of deep drawers. I just love these solid oak cabinets with crown molding. You have newer appliances. They've all been replaced. I love that it's open to the dining room space. There's plenty of room to have a large party and family gatherings. Entertaining is made wonderful in this unit. You have 2x6 construction, thermal pane windows, 30-year architectural shingles. This has 6-panel doors. I love that there's an attached garage. It's a nice deep garage with automatic garage door opener. In the front, they just painted both bathrooms. They're remodeled 1.5 baths here. You have 2 large, spacious bedrooms, plentiful closet space. Check out the gleaming hardwood floors throughout the entire unit. This has ceiling fans, pendant lighting. It's in fabulous shape. Also, it's very, very bright, so it lets the sun in. It's a gloomy day today, and you can see how super bright it is in here. I just love it. Love that there's a breakfast bar here. So special features include first floor laundry. I love that you have a front porch with decking and a back deck. Plus, it's a full basement, walk out right to your backyard. It lets in extra windows and extra light, so if you're down there, they have it set up as a workout place, but you could have a family room down there if you wanted to. The taxes are also very good here in Stafford. Plus, you're at the top of the mountain, so when you're leaving here to go anywhere, you get beautiful views. It's a nice, friendly, active community, 55 and older. So I'm Lori with Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker Realty, and if you'd like more information or to schedule a private showing, then give me a call at 860-926-5101 or check us out on our website at teamgabriel.net. We look forward to hearing from you.